Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake Chelsea buns. Let's get started. Heat up some water at medium heat. Add some bread flour. Keep stirring. When the temperature reaches 65 Celsius and the texture is sticky, turn off the heat and let it cool down. Add some bread flour into the stand mixer. Sugar, yeast, dry milk. Mix them well. I will also prepare the wet ingredients. 1 beaten egg, milk, heavy cream, then give a good mix. Mix the fluid with the dry ingredients. Add the bread starter and turn on the machine at low speed. A little salt. Add the softened unsalted butter in 3 times. It's a very wet dough at the beginning. After 1 hour, the dough becomes strong and less sticky. Keep it in a warm place and let it proof for 2 hours. While waiting, I will make the bread filling. Some melt salted butter. Muscovado sugar. Mixed spice. Orange and lemon zest. The bread filling is finished. After 2 hours, degas the dough. Roll out the dough to have 3 mm thickness. Add the bread filling onto the surface. I use the dough scraper evenly spread it all over the surface. Sprinkle raisins and sultanas. Then choose one end, tightly roll up. Pinch and seal. I remove 2 ends. Each section is 3 centimeters long. Mine is enough to make 9. Keep it in a warm place and let it rest for 1 hour before baking. Preheat the oven at 350 Fahrenheit. Bake them for 30 minutes. "30 minutes later, let's check the buns. Brush the glaze when they are warm. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients, so each Chelsea bun cost me $1.20. I'm going to enjoy my Chelsea buns with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.